I'm going to show you how to create custom thumbnails for your YouTube shorts. This will change the thumbnail image that appears on the shorts shelf when viewers scroll through. Upload your short video in the YouTube mobile app, but don't publish it yet. Tap the plus icon and select Upload Video. Choose the short clip you want, like a video of Ronaldo's goal. Tap through the upload process until you reach the editing screen. Now your short is uploaded, but not public. At this point, you can customize the thumbnail before posting. Once your short is uploaded, you'll be on the editing screen. Here you can add your title, description, tags, and other details. But don't hit publish just yet. Before making your short public, you need to set the custom thumbnail first. So get your title and other metadata ready to go, but hold off on publishing for now. The next step is choosing your eye-catching thumbnail image. Now look in the upper left corner of the editing screen. You should see a small pencil icon. This is the key to selecting a custom thumbnail. Tap on the pencil icon to open up the thumbnail editing mode. This will allow you to preview and choose exactly which frame from your short video you want to use as the thumbnail image. Once you've chosen the perfect thumbnail frame, tap Done in the upper right corner. This confirms your selected image as the custom thumbnail. Now you can finally hit Publish to make your short go live with your customized thumbnail. Note that this feature is only on mobile currently. On desktop, you can't change the thumbnail yet. In summary, custom thumbnails can get more views on your shorts. An eye-catching thumbnail grabs attention and makes people more likely to click. It's worth taking the time to select the perfect frame before publishing your short. This can lead to more viewership. If you like this tutorial, subscribe for more YouTube tips. Also, check out my YouTube automation journey playlist to improve your channel. Thanks for watching. Leave video ideas for future tutorials to help grow your presence.